Welcome to TCT Asia Summit. This is Frankie from Winex. Today I'm going to give you an exclusive tour inside TCT Asia. As we all know, 3D printing and additive manufacturing application has been widely used across industry, including automotive, medical, and consumer goods. So today, let's go find some key players in the industry, and then let's find out their new materials, new technology, especially their new applications. Let's go. Hi, come check out this 1.6 meters tall metal parts. It's been printed continuously for more than 30 days. And as you can see, the finish, the outside and inside are perfect. Come check it out. US has attended TCT Asia this year. Let's check out what they bring us this year. So this one is a professional bicycle use. And as you can see, the texture and the color are quite impressive. This one is US metal parts. As you can see, this one is also used for bicycle. If you look at the details, the finish and the texture are much better than before. What's your name?
I'm Adam Zhang.
Adam Zhang, okay. So let's check out this stunning shoes. As you can see, wow, the texture, the color is quite amazing. So what is the material that you used in this shoe?
It's polymer.
Polymer?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind of polymer?
High polymer.
High polymer, okay. Wow, this is quite amazing. So what are the use of this kind of shoe? Are they suitable for wearing daily? What is the usage?
Look.
Oh wow, check out. She's already wearing the polymer shoes made by 3D printing. So it's actually wearable, and this is the application for polymer in TCT Asia. May I know your name?
Oh, this is Wu Shuai.
Wu Shuai?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell us more about the position that you are at?
Okay, hi everybody. This is Shuai. I'm from the HP 3DP and I'm the channel manager for this business. Yes, I'm focused in production, promotion of this project in China.
Okay, so let's take a look at these amazing, stunning metal parts printed by HP machines. Could you give us more information about what are the machines that have been using for producing those parts?
Okay, actually this is all printed by our HP MetalJet printer.
Oh, MetalJet, okay.
Yes, actually this printer is just introduced or launched in this September.
Wow, that's very new.
This is really new. And also, so because of this reason, we didn't display the printer here.
Okay.
We just display some of all parts here.
Yes.
So you can see the first one is this booth. Yes, this booth parts.
Oh.
Actually, not all of them are printed by the 3DP, just this inside, the black one.
Oh,
this
nice.
is printed by the stainless metal.
Stainless steel?
Yes, it's 316, this material.
Okay.
And actually it's printed first by 3DP or MetalJet, and after it do the post-processing to do the dyeing
yes.
to be the black one.
Wow.
And the other parts, you can see the other parts are all printed by this same technology.
Okay.
You can see this is the watch, and the other one are the tools used in the industry.
What is the technology exactly? Is it SLM?
No. Actually, it's totally different from SLM.
Okay.
We call it the MetalJet.
Oh yeah, MetalJet.
Like
okay.
the binder jet.
It's like a binder jet.
Yes. So it's not really to print the parts directly. Actually, it is printed firstly, and you need to be some of the post-processing to do the finished parts.
I see. So this is a new technology called the MetalJet, which is similar to binder jet, but it's a bit different. And yeah, this is amazing golf
Thank you.
Usage. So let's check out some of the other
Yes.
other applications. Could you tell us what are these applications? What are the machines? What are the materials used for this? Yeah.
You can see in these two booths, they are also they are all the parts printed by TPU.
Oh.
TPU is the new launched machine. We also cooperate with BASF.
BASF
Yes.
and HP. Yes.
And all of those parts, you can see the consumable parts and also some of the industry parts. They are printed by the TPU. And here you can see what's the application for. This is for the shoes.
Yes.
Right? And all of them are printed by HP. We call Jet Fusion 5200. This is also the machine that you can see, that the white machine.
Oh yes, yes. I think we are also using HP Jet Fusion machine.
Yes, and you are using 4200.
Yes,
it's the upgrade one, 5200.
Yes, I see.
It has the advantage in the speed and also the materials.
Yes, I see.
You can
so TPU is a newly launched material for MJF.
Yes,
okay.
And also it's welcome the material here in local customers. You can see some of the applications also down here in the TPU, especially in the consumables and also the automotive industry.
Yes. So here are the...
here you can see this is all the parts used in the automotive and also the industry.
Yes.
And here you can see the parts. You can see the first one is used in, it's the parts, just the print out. And you can see also the parts with some colors. They are done by the post-processing, like the dyeing or the chemical polishing.
Oh, chemical polishing, yeah.
The third part, the black one, you can see.
Very smooth.
Yes, also you can see it's colorful.
Yes, very colorful by dyeing.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, okay, that's amazing. Thank you, Shrai, for introducing.
Thank you for this platform.
So, welcome to the booth of GE Additive. As you can see, these parts, the application for mold conformal cooling system are implemented inside these parts. These are the industrial usage and applications that has taken the most advantage out of metal 3D printing. If you look very closely into these parts, you could see the cooling system inside. This is used to be not possible for the conventional manufacturing, but right now it is possible because of additive manufacturing. Let's go to the booth of the Shangji Nanjing new technology, and as you can see, here we have a very stunning titanium application for the dental industry. You can see these are the parts that are printed with titanium materials, and some of the polish, the finish are quite impressive. You can see some of them are polished to a very high level, and then some of the polish are a little bit like dye black. These are quite amazing. Hi, so I'm Frankie from WinX. May I know your name?
Hi, I'm Dennis.
Dennis, nice to meet you. So this is your first time coming TCT Asia?
No.
No? You come every year?
Every year, yes.
Wow, okay, I see. Which country are you from?
Well, I live in China.
Okay.
I've been living in China for 17 years.
Wow,
so
that's
I guess I'm Chinese.
Yes, yes.
But my hometown, my home country is South Africa.
Okay.
The difficulty that we have in the industry is educating people.
Yes.
And for people to trust 3D printing for industrial production.
Yes, I believe that's a very long way to go, but we must do it to educate.
Yeah, China needs to catch up because the rest of the world is already realizing it and implementing it. So I would like to see in China a lot more applications, industrial applications. So I know, for instance, FlashForge has recently put a lot of emphasis into this.
Yes.
So they have been, they're hiring people, they're putting effort into trying to get industry to understand that 3D printing is practical.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for the insight.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you next time in TCT.
See you next time. Okay, bye.
Bye. I hope you enjoy TCT Asia this year as much as we do. And I hope to see you guys in the future with some overseas event and exhibition. If you have any question that you'd like to chat with us, go to wenext.com. If you have any thoughts that you want to discuss with us or get more insights, go to wenext.com. Thank you and see you next year.